You want to earn a pistachio? What's this called?
Wrench.
What am I doing? Yes! Good job. No, Soleil. No. Can't believe you just tried to do that. What's this called?
It's a rag.
What color?
Purple.
What's this called?
Paper bag.
What's this called?
Box.
I guess it is a box in a way. It's a block.
Block.
Yes, block. What's this called?
Plant.
What's this called?
No. Wrench.
Do you want the wrench?
Oh.
What color? What color?
Purple.
Yes. What's this made of?
No.
Yes. What's it called?
It's a bell.
What's this called?
Frock.
What is this called?
Ball.
What's this made of?
No.
What's this called?
Oh.
What's this called?
Oh.
What's it made of?
Glass.
Do Big Bird. Good, Big Bird. There's a snack.